Stop settling for that good enough, clean where crumbs still hide in the seat crevices and pet hair clings to the floor mats like it's part of the upholstery. Welcome back. If you're looking for a professional-grade detail right in your own driveway, this 7-in-1 cordless car vacuum is the high-velocity solution that's making bulky shop vacs a thing of the past. The secret to this vacuum's performance is its high-efficiency brushless motor, which generates a staggering 16,000 pascals of suction. Unlike traditional motors that wear out and lose power, this brushless tech provides more torque with less heat, allowing you to lift stubborn sand, heavy debris, and deep-seated pet hair with a single pass. Despite its raw power, the unit remains incredibly lightweight and ergonomic, making it easy to reach under seats or high up into SUV cargo areas without any cord-tangling frustration. What truly makes this kit a standout for 2026 is the 7-in-1 versatility. It's not just a vacuum. The multifunctional attachments allow it to double as a powerful air blower for dusting off keyboards or drying delicate car parts, and an air pump for inflating pool floats or vacuum sealing storage bags. It features a dual-layer washable HEPA filter that captures 99.9% of fine dust, ensuring you aren't just blowing allergens back into your car's air. With universal Type-C fast charging, you can juice it up using your car's USB port or a laptop, making it arguably the most convenient, always-ready cleaning tool for your home, office, or vehicle. Click the link below for the best price and keep your ride showroom ready. If this breakdown helped you find the ultimate cleaning hack, hit that like button and subscribe for more deep dives into the gear that actually keeps your life tidy. See you in the next one.